Great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Vanshika.
Myself Vanshika. I study in 12th Science class in Sunrise Public School. Firstly, I would like to pay my humble thanks to Mr. Vijay Gandhi sir, who provided me such a great opportunity to speak here in front of you. Now, I am here to recite a poem, and the topic of my poem is My Mother at 66, and the poetess of my poem is Kamala Das. First, we should know something about Kamala Das. Kamala Das was born in 1934 in Malabar, Kerala. She is known as one of the foremost poets of India. Her works are known for originality, versatility, and indigenous flavor of soil. Her works in English includes the novel Alphabets of Lust in 1977 and many short stories of Padmavat the Harlot in 1992, in addition of 5 books of poetry. She is a sensitive writer who captures the human subtleties with human relationships in lyrical idiom, and My Mother at 66 is an example. Now let's go through the poem. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doze open-mouthed and her face ashen like that, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and realized out at young. Trees sprinting and the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I again looked at her van pale like a late winter moon, and all I said was, "See you soon, Amma," and I did was smile, smile and smile. Now I am here to explain this poem. The poet has come to visit her parents' home near Cochin. On Friday morning, she was returning back. And she was returning back from her parents' home near Cochin. She noticed that her mother was sleeping beside her in the car, and the mouth of her mother was open, and her face was pale and lifeless, or like a dull body. But when she went to the airport, she saw that she was again in the same condition, but she thought that the old age has crept on her mother. And to get rid of this disturbing thought, she started looking outside the car, and because the car was moving and the young green trees were appeared to running in opposite direction of the car, and she also saw some group of children running out of their homes to play. This scene, the green trees and the young children, represent that the green trees represent how fast time had flown by, and the young children represent the youth, which was full of energy or which was full of life. This provides a sharp contrast between the mother age, which was now or which was when she was young, and now she was suffering from ill health. And the green trees or the young children were able to divert their thoughts. The young green trees and the young children were able to divert her thoughts away. And she noticed on the airport that her mother was in the same condition. She was looking as a late winter moon which had not clearly seen due to mist and fog. At last, she thought that she will not reveal her feelings to her mother. So she hid her feelings behind her smile, and she bade a farewell to her mother with a smile. And at last, she said that she gave a hope to her mother that we will meet again, and kept on smiling. I hope you enjoyed my poem, and now I am here to ask some questions regarding this poem. My first question goes to Sweetie. Sweetie, please tell me the poetess of the poem.
The poetess of the poem is Kamala Das.
Yeah, the poetess of the poem is Kamala Das. Please clap for Sweetie. My next question goes to Ria. Ria, please tell me the place where Kamala Das has born.
Kamala Das has born in Malabar in Kerala.
Yes, right answer. Kamala Das was born in Malabar, Kerala. Please clap for Ria. My next question goes to Tanya. Tanya, please tell me when Kamala Das has published her first English novel.
In 1977.
Yes, in 1977, Kamala Das has published her English novel. Please clap for Tanya. Now my next question goes to Simran. Simran, please tell me the rhyming scheme of the poem. Yes, the rhyming scheme of the poem is reversible. Please clap for Simran. I hope you enjoyed my poem. Thank you and nice day.